This video is going to show you how we set up your Word document for formatting checks. This will help you either perform checks before you submit to the library or be able to see what we see when we make a comment on your document. The first thing we do is turn on the grid lines. You can do this by going to the View tab and choosing the Grid Lines box here. What you see on this document is what you'll want to see when you turn on your grid lines. If you don't, you need to do the following to adjust your grid line settings. We'll go to Layout, Align, and then Grid Settings. You want to make sure Display Alignment Guides is not checked. You want to make sure that your horizontal and vertical spacing are both set to 0.5. You want to make sure that Use Margins is unchecked and set the horizontal and vertical origin to 0. Next, you want to make sure that Display Grid Lines on Screen is checked, and then your Vertical Every is checked, and then your vertical every and horizontal every should both be set to 1. And then you'll hit OK, and that will give you the correct grid lines. The next thing we do is turn on the ruler. You can find the ruler in the View tab, and then turn on your ruler here. This is another way for us to check your document and to see if you changed margin settings throughout the document. We can also use this to adjust the top margin and the appendix title pages. The third thing we do is turn on the navigation pane. It too is found in the View tab. The navigation pane is a simplified table of contents. We use this to make sure your sublevel headings are connected. If you don't see anything in this menu to the left, you want to make sure that you have everything connected. And it also allows us to skip around your document, so we're not constantly scrolling to search for something specific. The navigation will provide you with the first, second, and third sublevel headings. Depending on the number of sublevel headings you have in your document, you may get to see the fourth sublevel headings here as well. The fourth thing we do is pull down the Styles pane. The Styles pane is found in the Home tab, and you'll click this little half square here, and it will bring it down in this window here. You may get a smaller version like this. If you will hover over the window until you have the big white arrow, click it and drag it to the right, and it should attach itself to the document. This allows us to see if you're connected and allows quick access to connect to the style. The smaller window at the top forces you to scroll and search for the style. The smaller style window doesn't always show all the styles either. The final thing we do is turn on your paragraph markers. You can find your paragraph markers on the Home tab, and it's this little thing here. What that does is it lets us see hard returns. It lets us see page breaks to make sure you have the correct page break between chapters and pages. It also allows us to see these hidden codes after Chapter 1, after Appendix A, and the hidden code at the bottom. The hidden code at the bottom is to tell your page number and your pages of study, what page number needs to populate there. And the hidden code after Appendix A in Chapter 1 tells the table of contents that you need those words in that table. These are the things we do at the beginning of each document to provide an efficient review of the formatting in your document. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to call, email, or stop by. You can find our contact information at the bottom of the home page in the Canvas course.